Namaste Club members, this is Neeta with our Fall 22 Club shipment. This shipment is going to be a dedication to Bordeaux. You know how much we carry Bordeaux in our hearts. We will have the secret, which is Cab Franc Petit Verdot, so an homage to the left bank of Bordeaux. One of my favorite chateaus is a chateau called Kirwan. That's what it's inspired by. Followed by the Tempo. This is a Merlot Cabernet Franc, sort of in that Pomerol style wine, a little bit more voluptuous because of the Merlot, not only in texture but also in phenolics and in the bouquet. We will have 100% Syrah from White Vineyard. You know how much we love that with those sandy soils. Followed by Sangiovese, because it's me. It's 100% Sangiovese. With the Brunello clone, so a little bit on the Chianti side, although it's Brunello because we are in warm Paso Robles. And this is the big surprise. This is the White Sangiovese that everybody's talking about. It is going to be only in the shipment for Karma Club members because we made a really small amount of it. If you do want it, call us. We can upgrade you to Karma Club shipment for this shipment. But you don't want to miss this culinary delight. We are doing a 5-course menu just with this wine. That's how amazing it is. And as we're talking about these wines, I just want you to see behind, if you can see behind. It is our first harvest this year. Our first fruit from the estate will be coming in about 2 or 3 weeks. So praying that everything goes well, and hope to see you all very soon, either at the tasting room, the pickup party, or virtually, because we will be doing virtual tastings. We are going to do small format kits for tasting your club shipments, and all those details will be in the email that we'll send it to you. All right, wishing all of you a great fall and praying for a fabulous harvest for us. Namaste.